fans. The folk of this town have come out in their droves for this match. Why wouldn't they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town, and the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried thousands of away supporters here too, and all of it adds up to make a terrific, a crackling atmosphere. The match, I think, will be quite a spectacle. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages.
There's a player down there who I've always admired, Carlos Puyol. This game is not all about technique and skill. You need big hearts too, and they don't come any bigger than Puyol's.
That is one leader of men. The defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. So everybody is talking about this major new... And the shots! Goal! Brazil!
Are looking strong on the break. Winning the ball in midfield is one thing, but it's the clever use of counter-attacking. That's the real highlight.
Brazil take the lead.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
England are behind here, despite their domination of possession. He's played him through. Mbappe. He's had a goal!
It's quite close.
Maguire. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. And now the breakaway. Going through. It's a great gallop down the right-hand side.
Really has the confidence and skill to be able to hold the ball up like that until support arrives a little sooner, and just maybe there he overdid it slightly and should have released it because the support was arriving quickly.
He was never going to miss from there.
Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great poaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
England grab the equaliser and we're all square.
Yeah, for me, both sides are strong and well-matched, and I think you need to be a good player to be out there right now.
Has a hit! He scored!
I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
England go into the lead.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
This is quite a run, and he's not done yet. Good take by the keeper, he's read that well. Forward it goes. And help's available out wide. He's got away. And it's Gerrard.
What a super half of football. Instant pack, goals, comebacks, and the match being turned on its head. Which way it's going to go from here, it's anyone's guess.
Sancho! And here's Rashford. It's Rashford! Oh, that was no routine save.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Hoists it forward. Questions were asked, and he's given the answers. Well positioned to make that interception. Shaw, and it's played forward.
But this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Just has to be done.
Rashford tries to get it forward quickly. Goes for goal!
So great balance and a really cool head to finish. And that kind of dribbling is really smart.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
Look, it's a whole different ball game now, Peter, and it's a test of how they manage affairs from here.
Lampard, Rashford. Robertson drives it forward. Has he picked him out? Goalkeeper's ball. Chilwell. Now it's Beckham. Sancho!
Swallow me up.
Battles to win it back. Out towards the flank. Hoist has a pop! This could fall anywhere! Forward it goes. Kimmich. Beckham gets it back. Rashford. Good challenge, he just stood firm. More than happy to take the muscular approach. Mbappe. Rashford set up one goal so far. Sancho looking to force his way through. Oh, shooting chance! And that may well be that. That is that. England have done it in dramatic fashion. A massive test of character, and they passed it with flying colours. A truly outstanding comeback by any measure. What are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
Yeah, they had a game plan which was about hammering away in central positions, and it paid off. For me, they were...